from recycling to, you know, saving the rainforest and all that is really a good thing, because the biggest problem the animals in our world today have is habitat destruction and poaching. So we really try to get that across, that even every single person, even a little bit helps and makes a big difference.
This camouflage is designed exclusively for the African savannas. It allows him to blend in those tall grasses. Those huge ears on the top of his head, those ears are actually built-in sound radar. He can use those ears to listen to the sound of a bird flying through the air. Those gigantic oversized legs, those are built-in springs, capable of sending him 10 to 12 feet vertical up in the air. You put all this together, you've got an amazing predator that can pull a bird right out of mid-flight. We're going to try to fire up some of that predator drive right now and bring him 10 feet straight up in the air. Ladies and gentlemen,
you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry.
Two, three, go! What went wrong? What? Nobody said monkeys are ugly in Colorado, no. No, you may not tell them people are ugly either, no. Fine, I'll tell them that much, okay, fine. You're embarrassing us. He doesn't want to do it today. He said he feels that for a star as big as he is, well, he thought his applause was a little small. Did you all want to see a monkey hang by its tail? Then all this applause is for him. Well, ladies and gentlemen, once again, he's my best friend. How about a nice round of applause for Beauregard?
I've been doing this for 9 years now, and I started actually as a veterinary technician working at a food. My husband, Robert Mullen, he has actually been doing this for over 20 years. He started in educational programs, doing a show called Magic of the Rainforest, which is a Magic of the Rainforest educational program for elementary schools. We tour all over the country. We're from Florida originally, but we tour Maine, we tour California, we're here in Pueblo, Colorado right now, so we do all over the country. It's really neat because we get to see just a little bit of everything.
Over to this majestic creature and to feature her in a moment in time that is all her own. Ladies and gentlemen, we give to you the oldest of our tigers, 12-year-old Natasha! You know, Katie just told everybody, Natasha, about these stripes, about how individual and unique each tiger's stripes are. What do you say we go show these stripes? Girl, move up. Move up. Ready, ready, ready. Up. Yeah! All right, good girl. You know, Natasha, that gave me an idea. Let's show everybody how you do that jump. But this time, let's do that jump in slow motion. Okay? Ready? Go! That's a slow motion tiger jump. You can give her a nice round of applause. It won't hurt her feelings.
See, than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever